Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we divide both sides by y to the power of 3. Now we simplify and we will have about y squared minus s over this is about y squared. About this one, we will have about s plus s squared over y to the power of 3. Next, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. We have the s, so that means we need to find first the derivative of the function with respect to y. So we have dp over dq, that is about 1 plus 3s over y to the power of 3. Now let's go to the next one. This is number 2. So about dy, so we do first the derivative of this one with respect to s. So we have dq over ds. We have 1 plus 2s over y to the power of 3. So we see that this one equals to this one. We can apply about exact. So I need to create about the function fsy equals to, we have this integration in here. Plus 3sy. The integration of this one, we will have sy minus s squared over 2y squared plus 3sy. Later that we do first the derivative of the function with respect to y. So this one we have s minus, and we have positive 2s squared over 2y to the power of 3. So number 2 and number 2, they will simplify. And we have d over dy of this function in here. And we know that first the derivative of dy, we have same with this one in here. Now we simplify for the both sides. And we got about 0. So if we do this integration for the both sides, we have c. That means this one equals to c, because 3sy is about c. If we put c go to the right with another c, you still got about constant. And this is the final answer for the question in here. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.